Last week I was in Singapore for Commodity Trading Week, APAC 2025, organised by Commodities People. The event took place at Marina Bay Sands Exposition Centre in Singapore, and what an amazing place that is. After registration, I went into the hall to mingle with many industry colleagues from around the world. The event was well attended and many vendors were present with booths and displays, and in this video I visit some of them during the times that the delegates were out in sessions and ask them about the show. I also have some shots of the general show itself, the facilities, and so on, so that you can take a look and see what a great event this was and what a great networking opportunity it was. According to the website, next year's event will take place January 27th through the 28th, 2026, at the same location, the Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. I'll be there. Will you?
Since we last came here together in 2024, the landscape has continued to evolve rapidly, with AI and automation transforming vast swathes of the industry, ESG and the energy transition continuing to
How is it?
It's been a wonderful couple of sessions so far.
And lots of traffic?
Yeah, we've had a lot of traffic so far. Met with a number of existing customers, some who came in all the way from Houston. Yeah, it's been very productive thus far. This is a great event. I was so jealous that I didn't come last year that I had to be here this year.
Good, yeah. I'll take down on the job here.
So how's it going, Richard?
I'm doing good, thanks Gary. Thanks for
how's the
popping
show?
by. Very well organised.
Lots
That's
of
what I would
traffic?
say. There's been plenty.
Good interest?
Yeah. Thankfully I've had Colin here helping me out. It's been a solid favour for me.
How's it going?
Gary, as always, Commodities People's folks do a tremendous job. Attendance is excellent, quality of people, the quality of the panels, A1. Well done, guys.
So how's it going?
It's going very well. It's a nice exchange, well organized by Commodities People as usual. And for us, Asia is an upcoming market, and there's quite a lot of interest in our offering, in particular on data management, risk management. So very vibrant and very exciting to be here once again.
We try to do more.
So how's the show?
Hi, hello. The show is going really well, so lots of traffic, lots of interest in our solutions. So yeah, so I think this is an event that we want to be at next year. So look forward to see you guys again.
So how's the show? How's the show?
It's good. The show is really good. Impressive. It's the second time for us to join. Really impressive. Also, this year even better. They invite a lot of relevant vendor, and then our competitor all around. And also, I can see a lot of partners and consulting firm. And a lot of opportunity to look for leveraging, prospecting as well. It's good for a vendor. We are new in APAC, but we are well known in other region. So it's good opportunity for us for this marketing advertisement.
So how's the show going?
Hey Gary, yeah, the show is great. I think we see a lot of traffic. There's a lot of competitors around, but it's a great one. Thank you very much.
So how's the show?
Yeah, been great so far, but bigger than last year, and met lots of interesting people.
Lots of traffic?
Very good. Yeah, but both from inside the industry and obviously target clients as well. Hi, Gary.
How's the show?
Very good, very good. Show has been pretty active. It's now been half a day, I would say, probably the strongest half a day. We had a lot of people coming in. You now see less people on the floor because they are in all the events and all the chats or working groups that are all around the building. I was particularly this morning one of them. It was very active, very high level people, good players, a lot of companies, very much into CTRM, very much into digital, so pretty exciting. We have 1 day and a half to go, so this afternoon and tomorrow, but I think the big chunk of the activities are going to take place this afternoon and tomorrow morning.
So how's the show?
It's great. It's a lot of people. I get to see everyone in the industry. The traffic, the quality of the people here is amazing. So we're loving it.
Gary?
How's the show?
The show's been incredible. We've been enjoying it here in Singapore, getting to meet new clients, reconnect with old clients. It's been fantastic.